Instagram account delete, how to delete Instagram account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Instagram account permanently, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, if you'd like to delete your Instagram account permanently, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram app. Then tap the profile icon from bottom right to come to profile page. Tap the three lines option from the top right to come to settings and privacy. Then at the top you'll find an option called account center, so tap on account center. Once you go to account center, over here you'll find an option that says personal details, so tap on it. And once you go to personal details over here, you should be able to see all the sorts of information. So let us wait until this page has been loaded up. Then here you can see account ownership and control. And once you have done that, tap on deactivation or deletion. And as you do that again, you'll have to select the option called delete account from here. And once you select the option called delete account after selecting your Instagram account, you should be able to go ahead and then basically delete your Instagram account permanently, but after you enter your password. This way you'll be able to delete your Instagram account permanently. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.